For week 16, we discussed the Serratus Anterior, Rhomboids, Erector Spinae Group, and the Multifidus. For Serratus Anterior, its origin is the surface of the upper to 8 to 9 ribs. So this is ribs 1 through 8 or 1 through 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Its insertion is the anterior medial border of the scapula. So here is that medial border, and we're going to be directly behind it on it. So this will be the anterior medial border of the scapula. Its actions. It abducts or abducts the scapula. We are taking that scapula and moving it away from the spine. And then it also depresses the scapula, so bringing the shoulders down as best as you can. Moving on to the rhomboids, its origin is the spinous processes of C7 to T5. Spinous processes directly down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. C7 to T5. Its insertion is the medial border of the scapula here. So we will be directly on that border. And its actions. It adducts or adducts the scapula, so bringing those scapulas towards the spine. And then it elevates the scapula, so bringing our shoulders to our ears. Next is the Erector Spinae Group. There really is no origin or insertion. There are going to be attachment points because of how large this muscle is. So it attaches to the sacrum, that iliac crest, the vertebral column, so from lumbar to cervical, both spinous and transverse processes, the rib cage here, and then finally the mastoid process, so that pointy piece behind the ear. Its actions. It extends the vertebral column, so this is taking the trunk and the head all the way back. And then it laterally flexes the vertebral column. So we are taking the trunk and your head and your neck, and we're moving that all to the side here. And it's always to the same side. And then finally you have the multifidus. Its origin is the sacrum and the transverse processes of the vertebral column. So everything directly on the side here. Its insertion is the spinous processes of the entire vertebral column, and we are going to be spanning 2 to 4 vertebrae, so it just depends on the spacing in between each vertebrae. So you can kind of picture these muscles as a corset. Its actions. It extends the vertebral column, so we are taking your head, your trunk, your neck all the way back. And then it also rotates the vertebral column to the opposite side. So we are taking that trunk, and if we're contracting the right, we're going to rotate to the left.